Today we're cooking a hearty and healthy sinigang na salmon using my Salad Master cookware. This version has a special twist with miso paste. Sobrang sarap at perfect sa malamig na panahon. So let's start! First, we're gonna heat our Salad Master skillet. Once it's ready, gently place the salmon slices and fry them until golden brown on both sides. This helps lock in the flavor and keeps the fish firm later on. Once it's fried, set them aside. We'll move on to the sauteing in our Salad Master 5-quart mini wok. Ayan mga cookmates, next step na tayo. Siyempre, ang bida ng ating kusina, ang Salad Master 5-quart mini wok. We're gonna saute the aromatics, starting with garlic, then ginger, and wait until it's golden brown and you can smell the aromatics, okay? Then, the next step is we're gonna add the onions and halo-halo lang mga cookmates. Halo-haluin ang ating lutuin. Then next, we're gonna put our tomatoes. After our tomatoes, nag-soften na siya, ilalagay na natin yung green chilies para sa konting kick. Alam niyo yung mga cookmates, gusto ko minsan maanghang. And once softened, mix in a spoonful of miso paste. Ito yung magbibigay ng malinamnam na flavor sa ating sabaw. At linagyan ko rin siya ng fish sauce and pepper. Mga cookmates, next, we'll pour in hot water using our Salad Master thermos. Super convenient at laging ready ang mainit na tubig. Then now, let's add the okra and taro. We'll let this boil until the taro softens and the broth turns rich and creamy. Then, pour in our sinigang mix to give it the signature maasim, masarap taste we all love. Once boiling mga cookmates, it's time to gently put back our fried salmon pieces. Let's simmer it just a little para maghalo ang lasa. And we're on the final step mga cookmates. We're gonna add the fresh mustard leaves on top. Yan, napakarami ng gulay, napaka-rich sa flavor at napaka-healthy nitong ating sinigang na salmon sa miso. Turn off the heat and let the residual heat cook the green perfectly. Fresh, vibrant, and healthy. And there you have it mga cookmates, our sinigang na salmon with miso cooked the Salad Master way. Nutritious, delicious, and easy to prepare. Perfect with the steaming boil of rice. Mga cookmates, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy and fun cooking videos. Kita-kits on the next recipe. I love you mga cookmates. God bless!